Did you know that the surge in digital marketing is causing professionals to quit their jobs earlier than ever before? It's a shocking reality unfolding right now, and today we're going to dive deep into why this is happening. In this video, we'll uncover the hidden pressures of digital marketing that are pushing people to the brink. We'll explore unexpected effects on employee retention, share real-life stories, and discuss how we can create a healthier work environment. Stay with us, because what you're about to learn might just change the way you view your own career. Digital marketing has become an integral part of modern work culture, influencing how businesses operate and interact with customers. But what's not often discussed is its unexpected impact on the professionals behind the scenes. The demands of digital marketing roles are increasing exponentially, and it's taking a toll on those in the industry. The pressure to constantly produce high-quality content, engage with audiences, and stay ahead of the competition is leading to burnout and early job resignations. The always-on culture means professionals are expected to be available 24/7, responding to comments, messages, and emails at all hours. This lack of work-life balance is unsustainable, leaving many exhausted and demotivated. But there's more to this story. Coming up, we'll delve into the relentless scrutiny of performance metrics and how it's contributing to anxiety and job dissatisfaction among digital marketers. The constant monitoring of engagement numbers and targets adds another layer of stress. The fear of not meeting expectations or seeing a decline in performance can be a heavy burden. Moreover, the fast-paced nature of the industry means professionals are always playing catch-up, trying to stay abreast of the latest trends and technologies. This perpetual state of uncertainty erodes confidence and makes it difficult to envision a long-term future in the field. The consequences of this high-pressure environment are far-reaching. Many digital marketers are experiencing symptoms of stress and burnout. The stigma surrounding mental health issues in the workplace only exacerbates the problem, making it challenging for individuals to speak out and seek help. As a result, many are choosing to leave their careers in digital marketing altogether, searching for healthier and more sustainable work environments. But what can be done to reverse this trend? Stay tuned, because we'll soon discuss strategies that both professionals and businesses can adopt to create a more balanced and supportive industry. The digital marketing landscape is characterized by constant connectivity, high performance expectations, and the fear of missing out on trends. It's a combination that's pushing people to their limits. The emphasis on likes, shares, and engagement has created an environment where professionals are valued solely on their ability to drive numbers rather than their well-being or job satisfaction. Let me share a story that highlights the human cost of this phenomenon. My friend Julia was a successful digital marketer with a thriving career, a loving family, and a good work-life balance. But as the demands of her role increased, she found herself working longer hours, sacrificing time with loved ones, and neglecting her own well-being. The relentless pressure took a toll on her health, and she eventually decided to quit her job to prioritize herself. It was a difficult decision, but one that ultimately saved her from complete burnout. Julia's experience is not unique. The fear of not meeting expectations, the pressure to constantly perform, and the lack of balance are contributing to an alarming rate of job resignations in the industry. It's a wake-up call for businesses and professionals alike, highlighting the need for a more sustainable approach to digital marketing. So what can we take away from this? Digital marketing is an incredibly powerful tool, but it should not come at the expense of our well-being and job satisfaction. Awareness is crucial. By acknowledging the pressures and stresses inherent in the industry, we can begin to create healthier work environments that value people over performance metrics. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content on navigating the modern workplace. I would love to hear your experiences. Have you felt the pressures of digital marketing affecting your well-being? Share your story in the comments below. Before you go, make sure to check out the video appearing on your screen. It's packed with valuable insights. See you in the next one.